making slime and, well, not making it, we will be fixing my slime. So right now I have this, I have this very sticky, weird green slime, and it's very sticky, as you can tell. It sticks to your hands a lot, and yeah. And then from that view, you're probably saying it's not sticky at all, but if you like stretch it out, then it becomes really sticky, and now you can see why, right? Yeah. So what I thought I was going to do is add some, just hold on 1 second. My dog's crying. Okay, so what I was going to do is add some Tide, but then I realized I didn't have any. So what I'm gonna do instead is add this really bad butter slime, because this is not sticky, it's just really rippy, and it's so annoying. And yeah, it doesn't stretch at all. Look, ready? I'll go really slow and I'll try to stretch it. Look, ready? You have to go really slow if you want to stretch it. Yeah, but I just don't think it's that good, so you hear that crack? Well, we're gonna try to fix this slime. So I already tried it, and it turned out to make the slime look like this. And it's actually, this is really good slime. This one, I just mixed these two together, and it made this, and this is like perfect. So that's what we're gonna do. And yeah, so we have to fix this whole slime by adding this into it. So, and I don't care, because it's not like I cared about this slime anyway, because it sucks. So. Oh, and by the way, if I didn't say this already, welcome back to Shane and Vi Vlogs. Today it's just me because Violet is not here, and you're saying that's probably thinking that's a little unusual for our channel, because usually it's me and Violet, or just usually Violet and her friends, but today she's not with me, and I just wanted to film this, so yeah. So, note to self and to you guys, if you have very sticky slime and you have really hard butter slime, mix them together and it will make like perfect slime like this, and that's because that's really good slime. Hold on, my dog keeps crying. Okay, so I'm going to add this into the middle again. And I'm just sort of going to mix it in. This is what I did before, and it was really sticky. But then you just got to take the spot that the butter slime's in. Just keep mixing it. It looks really weird at first, but then it's just going to turn out to look very good. And you're going to love it. So. See, this is already turning out to be good slime. Except it's just a little sticky right now because it's just a normal sticky slime. But it's turning out to be good now. It's not rippy, it's still a little bit runny, but we can fix that later once we get Tide. Because I'm going to ask my mom to buy us Tide later. But there we go. Good now. I'm going to add it in with this slime. And now we have some good slime. But I still have to fix this whole bowl. So I'll come back to you when I'm almost done with that. Okay guys, I am back, and so we have all of this done. Sorry, that's just my dog. Let me go. Oh. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, my dog was just whining. But we have all of this done, and then we only have this much clay left, or butter slime. No, it doesn't look that much, but it's only this much. And it's sort of stretched out right now, but technically we only have this much. And we only have this much left. So I'm hoping that we can, with the rest of this, put this in the rest of this. Do this, and then put this in, and hopefully this works. You know, I don't want it not to work, because, sorry, my dog is so being, is really being annoying. But yes, we're gonna try to finish this up. So it's really sticky right now, as you could tell, and it's very, very sticky. But we're going in with our hands, because why not? I know it looks very stiff right now and keeps breaking, but, sorry, that's just the phone back there, but. So, if we can just ignore all that's going on in the background right now, we have pretty good slime here, and it's not that sticky anymore. And yeah, we're done. So I just hope that it wasn't a bad idea by putting my butter slime into here. But at the same time, I think it was, because I didn't really need that butter slime because there's no purpose of it. But yeah, so now we just went from a butter slime and a really runny slime to a perfect fluffy slime. And while I was off camera, I actually added some shaving cream into it, and that's why it's so big and fluffy. But yeah, so I'm gonna go stop my dog again because he's being annoying. Okay guys, sorry, I had to put my dog in here or else it would be really annoying. So yeah, my dog's in here now, so don't mind he's drinking water right now. But yeah, so sorry for all that background noise. I know it's really annoying, but my mom wouldn't let me go upstairs into my room to do this because she didn't want me getting it on my carpet, so I had to do it in the kitchen, and yeah. So now it's time for slime check test. As you can tell, this is like really good, fluffy, stretchy slime. Now the phone's ringing again. So just please don't pay attention to anything that's happening in the background. Yeah. So, time for slime tests. So first, we're gonna do the Insta Swirl, or the slime swirl, or whatever you want to call it. Oh my god, this is so hard because the slime is so big. I wish I had 2 people here so we can do like a gigantic slime bubble. Sorry, I had to stop my dog from licking something. But yeah, so this is pretty good, pretty good. I'm really feeling it this time. Oh my god, guys. This is amazing. Look at that. That's like awesome. So, sorry, I can't drop my phone because I took the case off because it broke. But yeah, so this is like amazing. Now we're going to do the click test. Ready? That's amazing, guys. So now we're gonna do slime bubble. Okay. Hopefully I don't get it on my phone because, you know, don't want that to happen. It got stuck in my hair before. That's why my hair is all like that and sticky now. But I'll take a shower later, so it doesn't really matter. That was an epic fail. But it made a little bubble, but still not that much. Did you hear that? That was so good. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, so it's not that good. It's pretty bad, but you hear that? Okay, one last try with the slime bubble. I don't have a good feeling about this, but we'll still try it either way. So. Oh my god, guys, it sort of worked. I'm just gonna go with that. Where's your Oh, why is it deflating? Okay, it's not the best, but it's still a slime bubble, so we'll roll with it. But now, ready to hear the quickiness of this? It's gonna be. Oh, that's amazing. And I'm thinking maybe, before we end this video, let's add some beads into this, because why not? Let's just do it, because that would be amazing. This whole bucket full of them, and this is a slime presser, so it's like, you go like this, you press it on, and you pick it up. It usually works, but you go like this and you just lift it up. And you go like that, and it's amazing, so yeah. And thank you, Violet, the girl who shares this account with me, for getting this for me for my birthday, this kit. This kit also came with a bunch of little slimes, but those are in my room right now, so. But those slimes aren't like sticky, like the actual slimes are like putty slimes, but they're okay. So, yeah, so that's the slime tester, and then you have some. This is actually glue, it's glitter glue. So if we wanted to add a little bit of glitter into it, we could, so maybe we'll do that. But maybe we'll do that at the end, but I'm not really feeling that right now. We have all these little tiny things that I might use. They're like little bottles that have stuff in them. Yeah, so that's that. And then we have some of this. It's a glitter specs. Oh, jeez, it's all flying out. But we have a bunch of charms here. We have fishbowl beads. We have, don't know what this is for. Probably something I don't care about. We have, we have these green stuff. We have these little like fruits that we can put in. We have blue fishbowl beads. Yeah, blue fishbowl beads. And then we have more little fruit things, except these are like desserts, sort of. Yeah, and then we have another gem thing we can put in there. So, I'm thinking what we put in is, I'm just move all this over, because I have no room now. And I just spilled half the things on the floor. As you can see, it's sort of glittery right now, because I spilled it, and I had to roll it all up in this. But I don't like the glitters, because they look sort of weird once they're in, and they make it look like poopy. So I think we should put in some blue fishbowl beads. Or rainbow fishbowl beads. Nah, blue fishbowl beads. Wait, do I want blue fishbowl beads? Rainbow fishbowl beads would look better, I'm pretty sure. Actually, I didn't open this yet, and these are all falling out, so I might as well just go in with these. The only problem, I mean, I do love fishbowl beads because they look so good, but the only reason I don't like them is because they always fall out. Like, there's a lot of foliage. That sounds weird, foliage. But yeah, they fall out so much, and it makes me so mad. Because then I have to clean it up. Like right now, they're all falling out, but it's okay because I'll just clean it up. But we're gonna mix that in. Oh, that feels so cool. And now there's fishbowl beads in it. Just random little fishbowl beads. So let's see if I do a slime bubble, if you can see them. Those are all the little tiny fishbowl beads. Now that I'm thinking, I actually shouldn't have done that because it doesn't look that cool. It just feels cool, but whatever. So yeah, that's what I have. But usually I don't make slimes this big, so yeah. So see you guys all next time. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you like, follow, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you all next time, and let's see if we can get this video to 25 likes. I know it's not that big, but yeah. So, bye!